If you have ever wondered about running YouTube ads to your channel, then you have come to right place. YouTube ads is already a great tool for kickstarting your YouTube careers, and I think everyone knows that YouTube is the hardest when you start from zero views and zero subscribers. So how do you effectively use paid ads to grow your channel? Well, here you go. Step 1. Setting up your channel for ads. In order for your channel to be set up properly for ads and for it to actually get the best results, you need to have a good looking channel. You will need a channel banner and a channel icon. Next are the videos. Ideally, you need at least 3 videos that are highly relatable and highly watchable, and as long as possible, ideally around 7 to 10 minutes for each video. Now, the reason you need to have 3 videos minimum is because here's what happens when you spend money on YouTube ads. A viewer comes into one of your videos. If they like, they will check out another and another video. So the more videos you have, the more views you get, and the easier it is to build your watch time. So once you have your channel set up and your 3 videos on the channel with good thumbnail, you need to head over to YouTube ads. You need to go ahead and click create new campaign. Once you have done this, you will be on this page, and when you are on this page, you need to click create a campaign without goals guidance. Then click video campaign, then custom video campaign. Now what you need to do is name your campaign. Set the amount how much you are willing to spend. If you want to have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers, the price is dependent on your niche. Some niches are more expensive than others. Overall, it costs us $1,000 to get 4,000 watch hours and around 1,600 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now this price may seem quite high, but it can actually be a pretty good investment because it means that once you hit the monetization threshold, you'll actually start to earn that money back. And on all my channels, once I had the subscribers and start posting videos, they watch them and I start to make my money back. So now select locations depending on your audience or target audience. You need to select the real viewers. For example, if your channel is in English, you need to advertise in all English speaking countries. Now go to languages, select the language of your content, inventory type, standard inventory, add group, give a name. Next, for the demographics. If you have some statics, try to exclude the relevant viewers. So for me, that's those above the ages of 45 plus and anyone below the age 70. As for the gender, you can see it's above 90% male, so we will only be advertising to males. Do not select keywords, do not select any topic. As for placements, you can use other relevant videos which are very similar to yours. I would suggest looking for videos that are recently been posted in a niche. Once you start this, you add the placements and your videos will appear for advertisement alongside them. For the maximum CPV, I would start 5% and then lower this until you see it starts to affect performance. Then you need to add your videos. Be sure to add your video as a video discovery ad. Add the headline, the description, then name this ad, of course, a name for the ad. When that's all done, click the create campaign. It takes 24 to 48 hours for the campaign to go live. Once that's done, you need to now add your another 2 or videos. Click on your campaign, then add group, then click plus icon and then add second and third video like you did the first one. Once that's done, click on your campaign, then click on your ad and extension. Then look at the tab called policy details. This tab will show you if an ad has been approved or not. If your ad has been disapproved, they'll tell you why and you can make those changes in order to allow your ad to be approved. You can also see earned subscribers and how many views, which means people who saw your ad than people who saw your other videos. Once you have ad running, you need to let them run for 3 days. After 3 days, you need to look which ad had the most watch time and then pause the rest. This is so that all of your ad spend goes into the video, which will give you the most return on your investment. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave like on this video.